Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks where cooking is made easy and fun-filled. Today I am going to make a full course dinner that is Szechuan fried rice, yummy, and honey glazed Szechuan chicken. Wishing you all a very happy new year and let's go directly to our kitchen. Now friends, if you all like my video, please give a thumbs up. And here I have taken few chicken strips. To that goes soya sauce, red chili powder, some salt. Be careful about the salt because all the sauces contain the salt. Ginger garlic paste, corn flour, all purpose flour, and one egg. Mix everything together very nicely and keep it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll show you how it looks like. Now, add some white oil to your yolk and fry them in batches. Do not overcrowd, do not overlayer them. And in first 1 minute, let it be the high flame, and after that reduce the flame and turn the side. That's all, your chicken will be cooked. It will take 4 to 5 minutes for each batch. Do not top and turn too much, then the coating of it will be removed. Now friends, those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please subscribe and then leave the channel. If possible, share with your friends and give a thumbs up, please. Now, almost my chicken are fried. I'll take them, remove them from the pan and keep them aside. Too much of oil I'm having. I'll take a little bit of oil. To this, I'm adding garlic, green chili and green onion stock. Here goes 1 teaspoonful of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoonful of soya sauce, 1 teaspoonful of red chili sauce and 1 tablespoonful of Szechuan sauce. What is Szechuan sauce and how it is made, I will be giving the details in my description box, which you can easily make at your home. Now just give it a toss till it's shiny and then add the slurry of corn flour. 1 teaspoonful of corn flour diluted in 2 tablespoonful of water I have used here, and let it bubble a little bit and then add your fried chickens to it and coat it with the sauce very gently. Do not be harsh at this moment with your chicken. Add some green onions chopped and 1 teaspoonful of honey to give the glaze. Now here a very soft mixing and your honey glazed Szechuan chicken is ready to serve. But well friends, top it up with some roasted sesame seed that gives a very professional look and the crunch. Now let's prepare our Szechuan fried rice. This will also be prepared in almost no time. Trust me friends. So come on, let's start it. Take some chili oil. What is chili oil? I will be giving the details in the description box also. Some chopped garlic, dry red chili and 1 onion roughly chopped. Just give it a mix till the onions are transparent in their look. Do not over fry it. Now add the vegetables of your choice. I have used here 1.5 cup of vegetables: cauliflower, beans, cabbage, carrot and some capsicum. You can use vegetables of your choice. You can add some, you can omit some, and fry them till they are soft for 2-3 minutes enough. You can cover it also at this point. Now here add 2 tablespoonful of Szechuan sauce. Mix everything very nicely and add your rice to it now very gently. Rice I have made 80% cooked, or you can take long grain rice or the general rice that you use at your home, regular rice also you can use. And goes salt according to your taste. The sauce contains salt, so about salt be a bit careful. Lots of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoonful of vinegar. Give it a light mix, everything, and this mixing will take 2 or 3 minutes very gently. If not, your rice grains are going to break. Top it up with some spring onion and your dish is ready to serve. So friends, be happy, be merry, keep me in your prayers. Bye.